Hey Emma, this is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So Patricia gave me the go ahead to send this over to you. Hopefully this helps, but I'm just going to take a quick audit of your website, see what's going on. So call or text today, excellent. I would probably move that down and put it left over here, right over here next to content. Make this a little bit smaller so that your header isn't so big. Ideally, you would want it, I don't know, maybe a little bit bigger than the top white over here. But anyway, Home About Us services is great. Unfortunately, the services is not a drop-down menu. You want, here's the ideal, right? Somebody comes to your website, they hover over services, and they want interior painting. And they click on it, they read a little bit about what you offer, and then they call you. That is ideally what you want. But good job on this being a click to call. Most of that people do not, and that's where they get tripped up on. But welcome to Alex's Painting Services as premier painting contractor. Excellent. The services you do offer: epoxy, residential, commercial, and painting, lacquer for cabinets. I don't know if I even pronounced that right, but definitely a good job. Featured projects is, see more, words from our clients, and then contact you. So here's what I'm going to hit you guys on. There is not really a lot of content over here. Because there's not a lot of content, Google isn't going to take you as seriously as somebody who has more. They really want about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage alone. So that being said, let's take a look at the back end of your website, see what is going on. So you have a UR rating of about 4, which is basically showing that this website is that's the strength 4 out of 100. DR rating is 0. DR rating is how much Google does trust you. Now, this is all dependent on backlinks. Now, a backlink is where you have your website linked somewhere else and somebody can click on it, and a referring domain is when it returns to you. Now, you have 7 and 4, which is not a lot of backlinks or referring domains right now. Not all backlinks, by the way, are created equal. Some are more spammy than others, like a bit BuzzFeed or Wikipedia page. You definitely don't care for those. But you also do have 11 organic keywords, which means you are ranking for something and bringing in about 102 people a month to your website. So what are you doing to get that traffic? So here we go. Alex Painting, Alex's Painting, Alex Painting, and Alex Pro Painting Services. So you have 4 keywords, each almost 1,000 volume for that in the course of 1 month, and you're bringing in over 100 people a month with that. Now, here's the thing: unless they know who you are, this isn't really helpful because anyone in the world can type in Alex's Painting. So a lot of these people might not actually be people who you want jobs from anyway, because they might not be in Arizona. They might be not Phoenix. They might be in I don't know, Texas. And that's not going to really help you guys out. So you want to be very specific. That's what buyer intent keyword is. It's a lot much stronger than an actual keyword. So it would be like this: painters, Phoenix, Arizona, or AZ. So right off the bat, when I put that in, that lets me know that somebody is searching for a painter in Phoenix, Arizona. So right off the bat, we got, CertaPro. They're everywhere, by the way. But we have GMB, Google My Business Profile. Very important to get in here. About 30 to 40% of all people searching for anything will click on one of these 3 people. So as we scroll down, we have our organic search as well. Anyone can rank here as long as you know what to do. Finally, we got Yelp, and then we have Home Advisor, Angie's List, and Arizona Painting Company. This is your biggest competition besides for Angie, Home Advisor, and Yelp. Now, thing about those is their directory, so people would, rather not. Now, here's the thing: these guys do appear to be way bigger. Then they might actually cover all of Arizona. And if that's the case, that all power to them. So they're your main competitor. As you can see, they're not exactly drop down menus, so they lose points in my book for that because you definitely want that. But their numbers are click to call, email us, schedule now, stuff like that. Trusted, unwrap. I don't like how this follows me, but this is basically just same day services, showing how transparent they are. Schedule your painting services. Paint. Okay, here we go. Interior painting. I wonder, exterior, interior, commercial. So they're really getting very clear on exactly what they do. Now, here's the problem is they're not talking about it, but they are going to a different thing. So that's great. Like another page. Testimonials, why work at? Oh, okay. So if you're looking to get a job, you can always join them. All right, solid website in total, but very, like I said, content is key. They're not talking about their actual stuff. Here's the thing, though. They are kicking butt on the back end. They have 41 and 32 UR and DR. Excellent. You want to be in the 30s and 40s for these guys. They have 5.2, well, let's just say it out loud, 5,240 different backlinks, which is a large amount, and they have a good amount of referring domains. Now, honestly, they're probably really good as far as ratio goes. That's why they probably have they have a 32 DR, because some of these are probably really good. They also have 12,000 different organic keywords that they're ranking for. So they have 12,000 different variations of what people might put into Google and find them. And they have 9,500 people coming to their website every single month. Whoa. Imagine if you had that. But anyway, let's find out why. So the first off the bat, right? Arizona Painting Company. That's their name. But somebody can search, theoretically, Arizona Painting Company as an organic search without thinking about them. So play on words is excellent, but look at that. 2,500 people are searching for that every single month. They're getting 1,600 of them to their website. Now, again, it's not going to help because like maybe they're only in Phoenix, although Arizona isn't huge. I mean, it is, but like, let's be real. Um, uh, those 1,600 people might actually be jobs. But then if you look at painting company, that's a terrible keyword to put in. 19,000 people a month search for that. Sure, he's getting 391 of them, but it's not a very good keyword because anyone in the United States can do that. Same thing with Kraken Paint, same thing with Cracking in Paint. A lot of these are, as you can see on the right side over here, they're just most common reasons why. So it's kind of like a blog. So he's getting a lot of people coming to his website, but they might not be in his actual state. So honestly speaking, he's not even getting that many. So don't really worry too much about him. But how does this really help you? You are getting organic traffic. I'm just not sure if you're getting good organic traffic. So all we have to do here is we got to get content on your homepage talking about the services you offer. Insert good organic keywords in there, which are buyer intent, so location specific as well as service location or service specific. Get those in there, make them very strong. And then finally, we need backlinks. So here's honestly what I would do. Go over to this guy, find the really good ones in these 743 referring domains. Take them for yours. Beat them with quality over quantity. You don't need 5,240 backlinks to beat this guy. You just need the good ones he has. And it's probably only going to be about 300 of them. Take those for yourself, rank them, and get yourself to the top. That's all I really got for you. I really hope this was helpful. If you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Other than that, you have an amazing day. Bye.